Starting your investment journey can feel intimidating, especially when you see those high minimum deposit requirements on some platforms. But what if you could start building your wealth with virtually no barrier to entry? That's where StashAway changes the game. The short answer to the question, what is StashAway's minimum investment amount, is none. Zero. There is no minimum initial deposit required to open a general investing, goal-based, or StashAway simple portfolio. Think about that. You don't need a large lump sum. You don't need to wait until you have thousands of dollars saved up. You can literally start investing with the smallest amount you are comfortable with, even just a few dollars. The platform is truly designed to make investing accessible to everyone, from students to seasoned professionals. Now, while there's no minimum deposit, StashAway itself suggests depositing at least $10 SGD. Why? Simply to ensure your funds can be efficiently used to purchase securities, as transactions in the financial markets deal in specific units. But even that is a recommendation, not a rule. There is one key exception to keep in mind: the income portfolio. Because this portfolio is designed for stable payouts and invests in specific assets like real estate investment trusts and bonds, it requires a minimum account balance of 10,000 Singapore dollars. So, for most of their core portfolios, the ones most people start with, StashAway has knocked down that first, biggest hurdle. No minimums, no lockups, no penalties for withdrawing your cash anytime. This is your green light to stop waiting and start investing today.